In this session, we're going to review the general operation of the keypad of a TVA1000. The keypad is on the front of the display here, and you have your obvious different keys. You have your arrow keys, a control key, on-off key, and then alphanumeric keys. To power on the instrument, you go ahead and you just turn on, press the on key. The unit will go through a warm-up, and it will check its battery and check date and time and do an internal self-check. Once this is okay, the unit will beep at you, and the first menu you will get is your main menu. There are 4 different modes from our main menu: our run mode, our setup mode, our info mode, and our PC link mode. The PC link mode, we'll talk about that first. That mode is used when you store data in the instrument and you want to download that data to your computer. The info mode will show us different information about the unit. This mode will show us our serial number, the date and time, and any other general information. Our setup mode is where we would actually go in and set up the unit for different operations. And then our run mode is where we actually turn the unit on and start running the unit and use it for our different sampling procedures. In our different menus or our different modes, there are different functions we may need to do. We have our up and down, left and right arrow keys, and when necessary, we'd have to move our cursor around, and that's what these units or what the arrow keys are for. And then if there's any information we need to enter into, like our data logging mode, or any other modes of the unit, here's our alphanumeric keys. And when you press the key, it'll first start out alpha and then go to numeric, and you just do continuous key presses until we get the correct character on the display. And then our control key is kind of a hidden function key. This key is what we would press to actually light the flame of our photoionization detector and do some other general operations. And also during use of the unit, we have our handheld display. And on our handheld display, when the unit is on and running, right now it's stating off on our display, but while the unit is on and running, we can change our detectors by pressing the detector key, stop and start data logging with our log key, and then also turn on the backlight for the handheld display. This is a handy little display, so we can be just watching our probe instead of trying to look back down at the instrument panel. And that's the end of our session on general operation of the keypad.